Okay, now these are the tic-tac-toe board questions. They can give us multiple lines with multiple transversals. This is where those 3 steps really come in handy because they help us see exactly what we are looking at. So this says which lines, if any, are parallel given 11 is congruent to 16. So we're going to find angle 11 is here and angle 16 is here. So hopefully you recognize these as vertical angles. And remember that vertical angles do not have a transversal because they're both on one vertex. And so we cannot prove that we have any parallel lines. Okay, good. Number 6 says that angles 5 and 8 are supplementary. So angle 5 is right here and angle 8 is right here. Okay, so when I look for my transversal, remember it has to be a line that goes through 2 lines and it has to touch both of those angles. So line A is my transversal. I know that 5 and 8 are consecutive exterior angles, and those consecutive angles are always supplementary, so they are true. That does work. They're not telling me they're congruent. They're telling me they're supplementary. So that means that if A is my transversal, that means that R and S have to be my parallel lines. So R is parallel to S. Okay. Number 7 says angle 1 is congruent to angle 8. So angle 1 is up here and angle 8 is down here. Okay, so we'll find our transversal is line A again. A is a popular line. And we know that 1 and 8 are alternate exterior angles, which should be congruent, and that's what they tell us. So we know again that R is parallel to S. And for number 8, our last example, we have 13 is congruent to angle 4. Now, if you notice, they are on 2 different vertices, but they don't share a line. So angle 4 is on line S and A, and angle 13 is on line R and B. So this does not have a transversal, which means we cannot prove that we have any parallel lines. So when they're across the diagonal that way, we cannot prove that lines are parallel. Okay, there's your lesson for today. Go ahead and do the check your understanding.